If the Bluetooth icon is grayed out in Windows 11, it typically indicates that the Bluetooth functionality is disabled or there might be an issue with the Bluetooth driver or hardware. Here are some common troubleshooting steps to fix the problem.
First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Click on System. Click on Troubleshooters. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Go to Bluetooth. Press Run. Wait for your Bluetooth adapter to be repaired. Open your Start menu and look for Device Manager. Open the Device Manager. Expand Bluetooth. Right-click your Bluetooth and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Drivers. Choose Browse My Computer for driver software. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your Bluetooth adapter. Press Next. Restart your computer. First, open Start and search for your Device Manager. Open your Device Manager again. Expand the Bluetooth section. Right-click the Bluetooth adapter. Select Uninstall Device. Press the Uninstall button. Now restart your computer so a new driver is installed.